Yeah, Roger, Roger, you have taken off without clearance. Please contact the tower on 127.58 for clearance to depart. Negative number 2. We have not seen you on the high-rise. That's a firm. Roger, out for tonight. Thanks very much. It's been great having you with you. Okay, bye-bye. Greetings on this fine evening in the UK. Tonight I'm looking at this. This is the EKSA E900 gaming headset. Now I'm going to be straight up with you here. I'm not a massive gamer. I do dabble every now and then in the occasional game, but I'm not really someone that would need to use something like this. So although I am going to test it out and give you my opinions from a kind of audio geek type of person, I'm also going to give this to my friend's son to try out. I think he's 11 or possibly 12, and he's really into his gaming. So I'm going to give this to him, and he can try it out and give me his thoughts on it as well. That's probably a good way of testing this. So anyway, let's have a look what's in the box. And look, oh, it comes in a fake leather pouch. A bit weird that actually. Yeah, with the logo branded across the front. Costs $36.99 on Amazon at the moment. This I'll put links in the description if you're interested in this product. Yeah, it comes in its own bag. Right. And here's the headset. So the headset itself doesn't come in the bag all neatly arranged and things. It is just put in the bag. What else do we have in the box? Anything else? User manual guides. All right, so let's just take a quick look around the headset. Nice red band there. I think that's made of metal, and that's where the microphone plugs in. It's fairly sturdy, nice padded. This headband here is nice and padded. I suppose these are made to be comfortable for long periods of time, because although your ears are going to get hot in this, you know, apart from that, all these bits, it's nice to have them as comfortable as possible, because some people are gaming for like hours on end, aren't they? So it is nice to have something that'll be comfortable for a while. I have no idea what this is. What is this? It's like a bookmark or something. Get your gift by scanning the... Not a clue what that is. It's a tassel. And here's the microphone. So it's on a kind of mini gooseneck style fitting, or whatever you want to call that. Gooseneck. It's just a gooseneck, isn't it? And that's really good, because that makes it really nice to move into just the right position. I like that. I like that a lot. Not quite sure which side the mic goes. Oh, I think that suggests that. I just going a little bit closer here. I think that suggests that is the microphone side. Whereas, you know, you could confuse it and think that's the microphone side, but I think that is to denote the fact that this is the side the microphone goes on, so that's the bit you're speaking into. So let's connect this up. That plugs in there like that, so the microphone comes in from the left. There we go, look at that. And I hope there's a little foam piece or something to go over it, because you don't want to have a bare microphone. So yes, it does. It comes with a little bit of foam. This was sent to me by the guys at EKSA. Thanks for that. Thanks for sending that over for me to take a look at. I do like looking at different sort of stuff like this. I've done quite a lot of headsets in the past, but this is a specific gaming headset. All right, so yeah, as I say, it is a TRRS connection, tip ring sleeve connection, which is one of those. That is the type of connection that you get that you would plug into, say, a phone, or often a laptop nowadays as well would have that type of connection in, because it carries your left and right channel, your ground signal, and then your microphone channel as well. It also comes with an adapter to split it into the standard 2 as well, so you can plug your TRRS into there, and that comes out as two TRS connectors, so it's 3.5mm stereo connectors. So you just plug that in like that. Job done. Nice. So that's pretty much all you need. It also has on here a volume control, just a manual sort of analog volume control. Probably might get a bit scratchy after a while, but yep, that works good, and really super handy, I think. As I find this absolutely essential. Is a nice, simple to reach mute button on the cable, so you can just sort of, someone's speaking to you, you don't have to dig around in software or anything like that. You've just got a button on the cable itself. That's a good idea. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plug this in to my... Going to see whether I can get something recorded on the old Tascam. I've dug out the big guns for this. Bit overkill, a field recorder like this for a basic gaming headset mic, but I'll give you an idea of what it sounds like. All right, well, good one, Torsten. I couldn't get it working in the field recorder at all, so I'm going for a simpler and much more probably relatable way of doing this. I'm going to just use my phone instead, and I'm going to use the Just Press Record app to do this. You can record in anything really. Select the headset microphone as an input. I've just got this connected on a standard iPhone dongle thing, and let's give this a shot and see how it sounds. Is it actually going to work? 1 2 1 2. Yep, it seems to be recording. Okay, so I'll play the audio of the headset back to you now. Right, this is a test of the EKSA E900. This is being recorded directly into my iPhone, and the microphone at the moment is probably about 3 centimeters or so away from my mouth. And headphones feel pretty comfortable. Yeah, they're a little bit plasticky around, the molding and stuff isn't amazing on them. They don't feel like really expensive headphones when you put them on, but they certainly are comfortable. And well, this mic, don't know. What do you think? Seems to sound okay to me. All right, just a couple of other observations. These pads here are really nice and deep and soft. The actual way the cables connect and stuff, it doesn't seem like, it almost looks like this plastic housing's been put around something completely different inside. The holes here are all very kind of, the molding on the holes here isn't exactly very well finished. It almost looks like there's a completely different product inside there. But hey ho, this is a £36.99 pair of headphones and gaming headset. It's not a super duper expensive headset, but this is, it looks nice. Yeah, it feels okay. Nice metal grille here. Not too bad at all. Well, it's been quite a long time. Couple of months actually since I handed the headphones over to George to have a play with them, and I have the feedback here, so I'll just quickly run through that, and he will give you he's giving you his honest review. This is from someone, of course, who isn't an audiophile and isn't going to talk about the eccentricities of the overtones of the treble deep in the bass womb of his mother or something like that. He's just going to talk about whether the headphones do the job or not, and that's exactly what I wanted from someone who will use these for pretty much what they're designed for. So first question, are you still using it? Yes. How comfortable is it over longer use? Very comfortable, and I can be wearing them for hours at a time. Really likes this cushion section around the ears, and it's really soft, so makes wearing them really comfortable. How's the sound quality? Good. Very good. I play a lot of Fortnite with my mates, and I can always hear what they're saying really clearly. There you go. How well has the mic worked? Are you always understood? Well, my mates have never asked what I said, so they must be able to hear me fine. That was once I realised you plugged the mic in. They couldn't hear me when it was still in the box. So yeah, point to note, the mic does plug into the actual body of the headset. It's not one that's built into the side of the one of the earphones. Do you think they are worth $34.99, and would you buy a pair? Yes, definitely. I bought a cheaper one before. It's actually the same make, and these are definitely loads more comfortable and better sound. What do you like best? Probably how comfortable they are, because I do wear them for quite a long time when I'm gaming. And finally, what would you change or what doesn't work well? Well, there isn't much I'd change, as I really like them. Maybe if it didn't have a wire, that might be better, as they plug straight into my controller, so it can sometimes get in the way. But that doesn't really bother me, and I love using them. Pretty good review. So there we go. Thank you, George. You can keep the headphones now. I think it's definitely worth it for such a decent review. But that's the EKSA E900 headphones. Thank you very much for watching. I'll put links in the descriptions below. They are Amazon affiliate links, so I do earn a small commission from those if you'd like to support the channel. If not, you can just search for them yourself and you can find them on Amazon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.